Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. In today's video, let's take an in-depth look at quiet luxury. Now, if you have spent any time on social media throughout the past few months, you would have come across this new trend that is entitled quiet luxury. Now, this is not just for home decor, okay? There's quiet luxury fashion as well. It originates from this idea of stealth wealth, whereas you look expensive or your home looks expensive without being too in your face or obvious about it. The whole point is to create this laid back, luxurious look that really gives you a sense of style. The term quiet luxury refers to taking a more modest approach to luxury design. You are talking about a design style that whispers luxury rather than one that screams extravagantly expensive and over the top. The interesting thing about this, what really sets it apart, is that this home decor trend is not a trend at all. It's more so a movement in home decor. It's a way to shift our thoughts dealing with home decor. This is not a way to decorate your home and then have it for the next couple of years and then just say, oh, I want to try something different now. I mean, you can, but that's not what it is at its core. This style is about longevity. It's about having quality pieces that will make a statement in your home and be in use in your home for years and years to come. It's about creating a space that isn't on trend or off trend. It's just a beautiful, luxurious home. It focuses on making every moment and every corner of your home matter and incorporating quality, well-crafted pieces that stand the test of time. That quote is from Woman and Home, and I absolutely agree. This is the style if you want to decorate your home one good time that will last and just maybe add pieces here and there. This isn't a style that you go all out to do and then completely change it in a few years. So if you have decided that quiet luxury is the look for you and your home, I have some tips and tricks for you that you can easily transition your home to this style. The first step would be to set the tone with beautiful neutrals. Now in this home decor style, you're going to see a lot of neutrals. It's going to remind you of modern organic or Japandi when it comes to the color palette used, but you're going to see your beiges. You're going to see a lot of soft, subdued colors. You may even see some pastels in there if you look hard enough. You're going to see your beiges, your grays, just kind of that neutral, natural color palette. It gives you that blank canvas that you can add all of your beautiful accents and furniture in and really create a one-of-a-kind home. Now, don't be afraid of color though. I know we've been primarily speaking about neutrals, but you will see a few quiet luxury rooms, even in this video, that are really kind of vibrant color. I know I have a green one in there that almost looks maximalist, but it's still categorized as quiet luxury. You have to do what works for you, but if you're looking for a starting point, definitely head to the neutrals. Now also, the second tip would be to keep things simple. If you have a choice to go minimalist or maximalist and you want the quiet luxury style, always lean minimalist. It's not a more is more decor style. It really pushes and encourages you to look at each piece as it relates to your room. How does this look? How does this flow? What is this saying? Does this add to the story that my room is already telling? We're not just getting, 12 pictures to have on the wall. A good 1 or 2 or 3 in the perfect color palette that you have that just really registers with your room. The third tip would be incorporating rich furnishings. Now, this is a home decor style where you can really save your money and invest in quality pieces, from matte velvets to soft silks and linens. This trend welcomes soft furnishings that really just ooze elegance and opulence. Someone once referred to this style as minimalux. So have minimalist, have luxe. I mean, you're going to just get that incorporation of the two and just build this beautiful room up around it. Let's say in your bedroom, you want to go ahead and opt for those really nice sheets. They don't have to be the most expensive, but something that just really screams quality. That's what this home decor style is about. Tip number 4, take a soft approach when it comes to your furnishings. So when it comes to furnishing the interior space, this is a home decor style that benefits from softer furniture. You know, sometimes in the modern rooms, the contemporary rooms, we see a lot of those really harsh angular designs. We see a lot of those straight edges, and this is not the design style for that. You're going to see a lot of curved couches, curved chairs, rounded edges, circular coffee tables, and side tables. And the 5th tip would be to really invest in some of the fixtures and fittings. So once again, when it comes to this decor style, let's say if you have boho, you can put, thrift store shades up, and it really adds into the look that you're trying to create. But this style is all about investing in the little touches, the small details to make your rooms look more expensive. I don't want to say spend a lot of money, because I never recommend that. If you can find quality shutters or, quality hardware for your kitchen for a good price, definitely go for that. It's not about how much money you're spending, it's about the quality of the pieces that you are acquiring. As always, let me know your thoughts on this style. Have you seen it? Is this something that you would incorporate in your home? Here are some of my favorite rooms from this quiet luxury video. I really like this style. I think it's a great way to kind of just add different elements to your home and make a beautiful, peaceful home. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.